Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say your seat. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Every man a run when you step in the street. Hey big foot.
Every time you make me go like every time when you if you I and if she I cause we just every time you tell me just a
Hello?
Yo, Bling Dog, wagwan.
Oh, wagwan, Tavi, wagwan.
I wish by you there.
What, you know, say, Italy, me there right now, me there on tour with Tamil.
Italy?
Yeah, Italy.
You there on tour?
Yeah, me there on tour now, you see me, so.
Okay.
Now in that area.
Oh, me did think of you this right as I wash your car.
Eh?
Me say me think of you this as I wash your car, cause me look on you right now. I him, you know. The pussy I run, I him.
You've reached the voicemail box of
Tri-State, Bling Dog, Vines Cartel, weed with me, I like get this pepper sauce. You boom glass, me no bun fever glass.
None of them batty boy and I love cartel like me.
Yo, what kind of paper you find in the documents? Me no know, tell me no. Foil paper.
Your girl she shape like Asta and she want come style me. She better really not come in like foolish. But you know to know a youth outside him supposed to bring me go some dinner. So I have to go call him back. I'm gonna get ready now, so later. Me a come! Me a come, just give me 5 minutes. Just hurry.
This is a PT production.
I text her and say I almost met the bus leave. Excuse me? I say I almost met the bus leave. Lock it back. Come on, face them.
The girl them want care, man. Where bus I go?
Gonna foreign, yeah, me gonna America. Me and me girlfriend, when name Erica. Nah, no plane, so we jump on the ferry, yeah. But I yard and me body in me area. Mash up the session and me mash up the stereo.
From your bone off a sea boy, make your hand go so bow. Fire for your bow, cat man no fee bow. Fire for the boy where so calf girl to one we know. She's a hoe. Body in the place and the star on me show. Anywhere me go, be a girl have to go. Have a girl a bounce just like a yo and we know. She's a hoe. Party time and me have a few buckle. If you look outside and me be more that a chuckle. Got a girl in me bed and she hot like a kicker. Phone Motorola, Benz, no Corolla. Straight weed will roll a girl a bubble like soda. So me go stand there, girl fi freaking, yeah me like sweetie. Don't she bad, she all follow me go peep it. Man fi brown so me skin me and bleach it. White like a flower so the girl them need me.
Yeah, people see it enough. The original dancehall clashing. So right now we have one J Skull, is it? Yeah. Over here, so we have the next youth. You want to go first? One J. So go through the general, spit the lyrics.
Yeah. Me go none apply cause it let it go anyway. Boy, if you flee, I go fly off anyway. Cause if them stay, they might end up a cemetery. Other than Messi and Pele, the lyrics when we speak this and no nursery rhymes. Them boy they don't give them some nursery time. Talking about time, they not have that 2 years. We would have to crush with that.
Yeah. But what you know? One J Skull. What you mean?
Free cartel.
The don't tell you no already. Baby strength them off. Baby strength them off. Put more chicken for me killing. Put more chicken for me killing. Baby strength them off. Baby strength them off.
Can somebody please turn on the AC? It's kind of hot in here. So what is it? It's kind of hot in here. Why are you using it? I'm going to tell you that please. I see I haven't taught you English. Sir, no, you taught me English, but you're speaking a little bit too English. I'm going to turn on the AC, no sir, allow me now. If you turn on the AC, the room will start get cold, you know. You see me? But I feel meant for no. Yeah, I know, say you know. But I just feel for tell you. You see me? Yeah, tell me know already. One on. Your brain have a boss. Cause me know say you know now. And you didn't know before. You see me?
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest.
I'm tired of all this shit that going over here. I'm tired for wake up and I wear this one bag of unnecessary clothes. I just want to get up in the morning and walk around and I'm like a flap. I just want to get up and walk around and I'm like a flap. Walk around and I'm a flap. You know how hard it is to get some tuntun already? And by the time you take off pants, take off brief, take off one bag of shit. When you're there in Africa, you just gotta lift up your flap in the hole there. Right, that's all. In the hole. Who the hell knows? I probably have 200 acres of land await for me right now. One whole tribe supposed to be a search for me. I am their lost king. We want a king. Where is King Kevin to Cressy? We want a king. Becky, where is our king? Send me back to Africa. Send me your fuck. Place so much fake bad man there on the side of the world. Yeah. Africa the real hot skull them there. The real bad charge them. Let's pop off all a spear.
Hey boy, where are you?
Run up with a blows and skirt flute gun. On to them. Just pop off.
Hey boy.
How about that? How about that? Catch me outside. How about that? Catch me outside. How about that? Catch me outside. How about that? How about that? Catch me outside. Catch me outside. Catch me outside. How about that? Catch me outside. Catch me outside. Catch me outside. How about that?
When you? Oh. Mr. William, Mr. Oh, Medima, they are just inviting me out for your play big dirty music. Big dirty music. Man off asleep. Eh? Make no word now.
See the boy what they call him Facebook hero, where he come from. Boy like him a hero, and if you know say I want hero, a YouTube hero. I mean I run the place. Yeah, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, all over. One hero, a YouTube hero, you hear that? People want to know some is a very smart and intellectual hero. Facebook hero, go suck your mother. People want to know the body boy a message to me. I say no, I see, tell him say YouTube hero, say go and suck your mother.
And what you want?
See boy, they call me on Facebook hero.
Who you?
They say I owe me, YouTube hero. Yeah.
I don't know which person me I want with him.
That boy, they go on like him a hero. And if you know say I'm a hero, you see me? I want hero, you know. I give my message to me, yeah? I make you know say I want hero. I say anywhere and there in the world, whether Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, anywhere me I go find him. I make you know say I suck him, man. Yeah. Facebook hero. Boy like a hero. One hero. Yeah, me. Yeah, YouTube hero. People, make sure you subscribe. A hero, one hero, YouTube hero, yeah.
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what we would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kanye Clark. Peace.